Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to check out some products for the iPhone 13 slash iPhone 13 Pro. This does actually fit on both, but they do actually sell them separate. I'll talk about it in a video. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have some cases from Catalyst. We have the Active Defense Vibe Series case, and we have the Active Defense Influence Series case, and we have a tempered glass right there on the right. Now, as you guys can see, this one has the 3-camera array because it is meant for the Pro series, but they do have the regular 13 series as well that does have a smaller cutout for the camera. So they actually sent this to me, and I have no intentions of actually getting the regular Pro. So I do have the regular 13, and it does actually fit. So let's get right into the case itself. If you guys are curious, the biggest difference between the regular 13 and with the 13 Pro now it has a way bigger cutout. As you guys can see, it's way different, and it's a little bit bigger, but it does actually fit on the case if you guys have no other choice but to get the one that's meant for the Pro. Now, the one for the regular 13 won't fit the one for the Pro because it has an extra camera lens, and that is definitely not going to work. So let's just pop this baby out and see what it looks like here. You do have a lot of drop protection, as you guys can see. You guys can pause that and read it for yourself. You do have the free little lanyard that you guys get, so you can add that on there. This does actually work with the MagSafe charger and with the MagSafe wireless charger, so you could just put it in there. Shouldn't have no problem at all. You do see the logo for Catalyst. You do have the rigid type of edges right there. Now, it's not the most hardest case, but it will probably work for that shock protection purpose. So let's just see how it looks. Just keep in mind, this one is meant for the Pro, but all the cutouts absolutely work. And as you guys can see from the bottom here, there's no cutout that is for the speakers because the sound actually channels its wave to these little cutouts here to the port, so it actually feels like you have front facing speakers. So we have like the mic cutouts and we have the speaker cutouts, and it goes right there, and then it channels through the front so you can hear it being sent to the front. But as you guys can see, it does fit absolutely perfect. Volume up and down, and then you have the mute and toggle switch. Works with no problem, just like so. So the only difference with the 13 one is that it has a way smaller cutout. So last year everybody was using the same 13, the same 12 Pro case with the 12 case, but now it's a little bit different because it's a way bigger camera cutout, as you guys can see. But it's really a nice looking case. I'll give you guys a 5-second pause so you guys can see the lip action. This is what it looks like. This is what the material looks like. It does have sort of like a carbon fiber type of look to it, but it does have a texture. But the sides have that nice grip, and you do have a texture on the power button as well. All right, let's get on to the next case. Put that to the side. Here we have the Influence case. Pretty much the same type of packaging. You should get that free lanyard as well. I can actually show you guys where to put the lanyard at. You can put it over here, or here, or here, or here, wherever you want to put it at. I usually put it on the bottom left or the bottom right. Right? Alright guys, so just pay attention. I will have these linked down below for the 12 model, for the 13, and the 13 Pro model. Alright, so if you guys want a clear frosted case, this is the Influence case. It's a little bit more sturdier, as you guys can see, and because it's frosted, that means that it won't yellow. But here's how it looks, the case right here. Definitely showcases that blue. Do have the logo for Catalyst right over here on the bottom, if you guys could Check that out somehow. Here's how the lip action looks. Nice amount of lip action. Definitely feeling it on there. So what do you guys think about it? The buttons, they're pretty cookie. And remember, the cutout's a little bit different when you get the 13 one. This is meant for the 13 Pro, but it fits absolutely perfect. What do you guys think? There's the material. A little bit of a close shot for you, so you guys can see it. There you go. Cutouts work as well, and it does have that same little cutout there, so it ports out the sound. So it's coming from the front. You see the little cutout there? There you go. And we have the medium toggle switch. Absolutely perfect. All right, so let's pop this out and let's get on to the installation for the actual tempered glass. All right, so here we have a tempered glass from Catalyst, 6.1 inch. So it worked for the 13 and with the 13 Pro. Shatter and scratch resistant. Fingerprint free. You could pause that and read it for yourself. You definitely can. You could press that if you want to learn how to install it. All right, so let's just pop this out. I do a lot of stuff here. So you have your little cleaning kit here. So I just actually got this, so definitely gonna put this on now. I can actually showcase to you guys how it looks. All right. Okay, so it doesn't have a cutout for the notch. It goes all the way up to the speaker. All right. All right, it's a little bit. It's not as hard as the other tempered glasses that I've had in the past, but it will definitely help. Let's see if that plus the drop protection. And the installation kit. See what we have. So you have your alcohol prep pad, microfiber cleaning cloth, and you have your guide stickers right here. And if I have any notes about these cases, or if I have any updates about it, I will have that link down below as well. All right, so you just have to clean it up with the alcohol prep pad. Make sure you get all that dirt out of there. Then you get your microfiber cleaning cloth and clean like so. All right. Then after that, check for any type of dirt, any type of dust. And if you have a brand new phone like mine, then you're probably not going to use the stickers because it's absolutely fine. See a little bit of a sweat gland right there on the side. And if you close one eye, you can see whether or not you have anything here. So let's put on the glass, peel off the sticker, and go by the actual speaker. Just like so. And if you don't have a steady hand like mine, then you should probably look for one that has a little guider here. But here we go, guys. Maybe got a little dirt right there. Okay, so if you have a situation like mine where you have a little bit of dirt right here, you can actually peel this back off. It will lose a little bit of its stickiness. I missed that. I guess I must have popped on. Then you gotta use a sticker, and you gotta find that little dirt. Take it off, just like so. You see what I'm doing here? I'm trying to take it out manually. All right, so let's try that again. Alright, so we go here, check it out again, make sure there's no dirt, go by the speaker, and just manually try to make it as perfect as you can. If you can't get it perfect, then you probably need the one that has the tool guide, and you should be good. Alright, now it's a little bit off to the left, so I gotta take it off, try it again. I can't have this bad, it drives me insane if I don't have it perfect, or at least like 90% perfect. There you go. All right, shouldn't have no bubbles here, should be good. And then for the rest of the bubbles, you just have to Move it out with your thumb. Then you have this one big bubble. Move it off to the side. Alright, so big shout out to Catalyst for actually sending these out to me. This is a really decent tempered glass. As you guys can see, it worked perfectly fine. You can actually put it onto these two cases, right, just like so. We have no liftage. It does not lift on this case. And we can check out the Vibe Series case. It's absolutely perfect. So if you guys want to pick up these cases, well, there's a little bubble there. Pop it back out. All right. So if you guys want to pick up these cases, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro and Catalyst cases. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.